Importance of Alumino Thermit welding. Due to movement of rolling stock train, the packing under the sleeper gets loosened and require frequent packing. Due to frequent packing, the shape of ballast get rounded and it requires replacement. Also, the sleeper underneath also get rounded and require replacement. Due to movement of rolling stock, rails and fastening also gets affected. The rail ends get hogged and battered. Which causes the replacement of rails. Fuel consumption is high due to excess rail joints. The fish plate joints also causes defect in wheels.